My people, I salute una. This na Tafia News. Una sabi say Tafia News na the ogbonge news when everybody fit listen to. Dem go hear am, dem go understand am. Sake of say the language wey dey use for Tafia News na language wey e be say both small pikin and big pikin, big man and small man and woman, all of us go fit understand am because say na language wey dey speak our obodo Nigeria when everybody dey understand. That's why we come like this. My people, like as I always dey talk, say Nigeria matter, na matter when it concern all of us because Nigeria na your own, na my own, na everybody own. And sake of say nyama too much, we no go just put our hand make we dey look, we go always make our contribution, na make us get Tafia News. And for my people them, when it be say they watch Tafia News, when be say we go fit call fans, some friends, some well wishers. When it be say Tafia News, they come their way all the time. Some of them don't call me say, you don't see taste more, they never see Tafia News. Today when I tell them, say, when I know say food when person they cook, if you never done, they know they share them, they know they chop them. Now when you don't done, you will come share them, you will come sit down get the bar. Now that area now we dey now. We dey work very hard to make sure say this our ogbonge Tafia News. It go come, it go stay, it no go vanish again. Say cause say matter when dey Nigeria, when concern Nigeria never finish. For those of you now them wey be say never still know me when they watch us for the first time, my name na still Comrade Lamte Oriahi. Matter boku to talk about. But my people, before we go enter the body when did the matter of the Tori today, I beg una, if na YouTube day they watch this program, just to give us a little, just small, support. You get one button when they put for them when they write subscribe, make you just touch them, small, bang. That one will make sure say yes, we get encouragement from you people to continue with this news. My people, make we for not talk the matter for too long. It go make we just do a sharp. Waiting I want let now know this evening now to first of all give you now waiting Oyibo they call headline. Matter we want to talk about today now concerning Nigeria as always. The news when day now when we say they run everywhere, we say Europe don't come to agree say very soon they themselves as America do. They will make sure say they make visa for Nigeria to come to Europe, make it hard. Say cause say Nigeria not get any contribution, they not do anything to stop what they call illegal migration. Illegal migration are those people when they be say then they enter taxi, some they enter Molue, some they enter Okada. Say now obodo Igbo that they go, they will come, they enter this tuke them. They travel from one country to another. I hear say we for Tafia News here say na Kanu that they pass. They say some of them go pass Bornu, some they pass Lagos. They go just travel from land to land. They come reach where water dey, big water when they cross, when they connect Africa and Europe. They go come from there enter canoe. They go obodo Igbo. Say this kind of people they don't come too many, and the balance say Nigerian government not they do anything. Sake of say for that reason they themselves they want to make sure say they place ban on Nigeria. That are one of the Tory when they make headline. Another Tory, my people, when they make headline, when they say me this one, now Tory when they say it they affect me as a person. Now waiting or they call debt profile when they say Nigeria gets. Nigeria today, my people, the Tory when they say the debts when Nigerian government don't carry for their head. Now debt when it be say if we start to be paying from today, me, you, when they look me so, we not go fit pay am. The pikin when we get, they not go fit. The one where they go still born, not go fit. The one they go still born, not go fit. The one they go still born, go reach 10, they not go fit pay and finish. Now the question what they ask me say, waiting our government don't use all this many money take do. Recently, we don't see here for Tory say the people when they borrow country money when they call World Bank. They don't agree now to give Nigeria another $2.2 billion, my people. And once that money reach out now, it will come make our debt come rise, go reach what they call 80 $3.5 billion. My people, this morning, not be small money. For those of us who don't understand now, because of this debt, when we did so, now it make things dear for Nigeria. Because once you carry debt from World Bank, you dey try to tell them say make them reduce the power of your own economy. That all those one reason why be say dollar not they come down, euro not they come down, pounds not they come down, and people when they do business, they go Nigeria when they use euro, pounds, and dollars. You know, if they buy with this money, they can't change for Nigeria. You can't see and say everything go there. But the question would they ask me say, not be crying before a government say, oh, we not get money, we go borrow money to do something. But we as Nigerian people, we know they see what they use the money do. The money not the rich hand. Suffer everywhere. I carry to meet some people the other day when he day Europe. I come find out say one person tell me say some 4 years ago, if he send 50 euro go house, in your family go feel use and chop for at least 1 month. But now that same chop when they chop 1 month with 50 euro, right now 300 euro don't even they carry them. People, everybody for this level will know. Now front now what they do they go, but the complex say our Nigeria, the complex now back now what they do they go. All this one, if they pay person for body, sake of say we get government will be saying people when they did there, they don't even care whether would they exist or will not they exist. All their own, I mean they just chop everything. Now, to reap Poku, National Assembly for Nigeria right now, those ones that they give themselves money when they want me they receive, salary when they want me they receive. They don't order for 400 cars from Obodo Yibo when they want import, when they want used by themselves. It gets one man when they produce car for Nigeria when they call Innocent. They don't feel support that man. Make that company grow. Make that company employ many Nigerians. But we carry this money, Jabarata, we carry on, we want to give them for Obodo Yibo. Nigeria right now, with the suffer all of us the fear because of the matter what they call coronavirus. Because say we don't sell our soul for Nigeria to Chinese people. Chinese people now they determine how we take they live for Nigeria now. Now the same China now, people, everybody they run from now because of say they get sickness when it be say you want to reduce the population for this world. Why it be say now so it be with us? Who do us all this kind of thing? What it can paint us past what a fear news? Now say we will be the ordinary Nigerian citizens. We know they do anything. It just be like say, oh, they don't do okay. Like fella go talk, suffering and smiling. We go they manage. We know they protest. We know they react. We know they do anything. This na government, Buhari government when they enter. The first time they say now so they go finish Boko Haram in 1 month. Now so they go do this one, so they go do that one. Today, my people. Nigerians when Boko Haram the key, it come like we never see that kind of one before. People when they call herdsmen, the terrorists, they went there inside. From Benin to Delta to Kogi to everywhere. Now so that they keep farmers everywhere. Which kind of country we there? Any government, what we know, we say any government will not fit provide security for its people. That government not get business to take the government. Buhari not get business to take remain for government because it not guarantee security. The reason why we they get government, if you don't know, now to get government so that country go dey secure. Countryman go fit come out anytime when they like without fear. Countryman go fit build house. Countryman go fit do business without another fear. Today, countryman will be farmers. Many of them now die. Now they kill them. Person go come up for house in the morning, saying they go farm, then he go look for daily bread for family, or when he go sell for people, he go reach some. They don't go come back because the herdsmen don't kill them. All this now the product of Buhari. They go want to blame saying that so the other one the government not good, now so the other one government not good. The other government not good. Don't make us elect now. Make una come correct what the other government not fit do. Now don't enter. To come correct what the other government not fit do. Nigerians they die every day. every day. Now it can't be like say waiting come easy pass for Nigeria not to die. The news of that, it full everywhere. Because government was supposed to provide security, they don't really provide security. Now, we the fear now because where will they go right now? We don't know. That other boy, what they call Kanu, in they say he want to make Biafra, when they get Biafra. Bam. That one now they create Wahala. Before they know what they happen now, Yoruba people don't ready now, say man, they don't come with when they call Amotekun, their own police. They don't discuss now, say they want their own Oduduwa Republic. My people, you get anybody who want to blame all these people. We're not going to blame them. Because if you don't let us do, we go put them for ground. We don't do this day now, say, man, we'll be a country from 1960 countries now. 50 years, Balaka don't pass. If the thing don't work, people say they want to go, then it be like, say, now to Kukumak sit down, make we arrange how you want to be. Because you know they work. The few people then, when all this 1,000, when we say, man, they do this bagman, they make sure, say, they finish everybody, finish all the resources. The rest people just did. I get friends now, get brothers, get people who don't even graduate, come out for school for more than 10 years, work. They don't see. The ones who go feel man is even create what they do. Security not there. Light not there. Water not there. How we continue to live? Now we continue to be country. I hear some people that they talk say, why America go ban us? Why they not go ban us for visa matter? Why? Which evidence we get now as a country? Say our leaders they make efforts, and we just did nothing. All of us come from place where we get what they call representatives. We get people who be senators when they represent our constituency. We never one day as a crowd move. So we want to ask and say, how do they represent us? We never want to try them. Ordinary Tunisia that day, say they add money, join bread. It create problem. Government it fall down. So that peace go day eventually. My people, we're not going to feel the day like this. Time don't reach for we as Nigerian people to decide how we want to make our country be. If you don't let us do as I first talk, make we discuss how we will live on. Everybody must not die inside this matter. Some people now, the other day, they watch one human being when they call him be a guy for Boko Haram. They talk saying that Christians not will feed this country. Everybody must be Muslim. If they're not ready, they will kill them. They will do this one. And then they kill people. President know they talk. He just did some useless Satanas them. They clap and follow on. People like them Tinubu, them Oshomole. People like them, then they clap and follow on. And all of them know say this man, now the weakest president when this world don't ever see. The only way thing just sabi now how to take thief money with the Nigeria. The other day announced now say if they go London for another 21 days holiday. What do you want to go do for London? When people say in Nigeria they on fire, now you be president. Security no fit guarantee. And we just did there as Nigerians. The other day, the other small boy, Showore come and say, man, make we protest, make we go for revolution to change this country. They arrest them. All Nigeria full hand. Like, nobody our business. So. But my people, waiting not be our business today, it will be our business tomorrow. Yesterday, they killed some people for farm, for data. For the rest of us, thank God say, now data happen. That matter, it will so happen near you. If it not happen for inside your house. Because if we not stand to resist all this situation, let me say, now our grave, then we dig one by one. For every Nigerian, when they kill, when you don't concern you, when you relax your mind, no say, now 1 feet of your own grave, now you don't still dig with that, because soon, it will concern you. Now make us they talk, my people. We need to wake up now. Nigeria not they work. It not they work because say the person will be president from the action we dey see and everything, e not ready. E not ready. Corruption full everywhere. This is the government when they talk say, man, they want to fight corruption. Ask me now, how they fight corruption? Terrorists with soldiers, they don't catch, carry them, put for prison, come carry them, go court. Nigeria, they release them. I would hear that for room. I never confirm that story now. Say they want create ministry where we take care of people who repent as terrorists. I don't understand how and where all this kind of matter they come from. People when they catch as Boko Haram terrorists or herdsmen terrorists. Una want create ministry when we take care of them. Because they talk they repent. Una head correct at all. Nigerian government. Una head correct. From Buhari go reach your slave now. When be Senate president when they call Lawani. Una head correct. Nigerians. You get one time for Bible. You come say to your tent, O Israel. The way it be now. Everybody for himself. God for us all. Every state governor, we for Tafia News, they encourage una now. We could not ready back to defend ourselves. Because where would they go now? Water don't they pass Gary. Governor Baseki of Edo State, it's time make we raise our own army for Edo State. Yoruba people don't do their own. Igbo people, they don't meet from information when I get, reliable information when I get, say, they don't meet to see how they want to take, organize themselves together well. So that when that brick matter will come, it will happen, it will shell, everybody will know where it belongs. My people, this matter not matter way long. I say, man, for a start, we can use matter to touch some of these kind of things. Maybe we know. Nigeria, when we say all of in our country, what would they proud of, what would they happy for, that country not they work right now. Because I know if it be citizen of a country when it be say, I be citizen now, that be the only reward what they get for the country. Die hunger, inconvenience. All the baba things for this world. The other day for Benin, they say court clash. You never even reach how many days now. 15 people then they your key. 15. And we get government, we get security. In what way now? We feel they talk say, man, this is not government. Then tomorrow somebody come talk say, America not supposed ban us for visa matter. When it be say, we don't merit them. In fact, that ban self, you don't even reach. You don't reach. Because the seed we sow for inside the next level, then we reap right now. Buhari win election. We don't feel protesting, no, we don't agree. We don't feel turn Aso Rock upside down, say we don't agree. The ones where they clap for them. Right now, this is not the result of the next level. We don't talk and time again, say, this man, when he come for it, I be one of those who support Buhari for first term. I don't beg Nigeria, I don't apologize for that mistake. Because we believe, okay, from the government we did before, the story, it gets us a bit, maybe this one will help us. The reason why some of us support this man, what they call General Buhari, so, now because we feel at least tackle security, make Nigerians be secured. It don't fail. What do you call woefully? It don't fail. Now, we don't understand. Security now number one thing for the entire country. Even if you want to do business, you need security. You want sleep, you need security. You want to go to work, you need security. You want job, you need security. You want travel, you need security. Security may be the center of everything. If that security is not there, how we continue to be country now? How we continue to say we get government now? How? Amroba go do their own bah. No question. Kidnappers go do their own bah. No question. Ritual killers go do their own bah. No question. Fake pastors and fake imam them, they go do their own bah. No question. Herdsmen, terrorist herdsmen go do their own bah. No question. Boko Haram go do their own bah. No question. All inside one country, one Nigeria. You know they work now. It don't work. It don't work. I no go fit come here and I come dey talk, come dey put water, dey talk like person wey put water for mouth, dey talk. No, this na how the matter be. Buhari, if you dey hear me, people wey near am, if they dey hear me, make una hear me right. Buhari suppose know say he don fail. He no get anything wey Buhari go do wey go help Nigeria anymore. He don show say he no get the capacity. He no get the personality. He no get anything to offer. And all those useless service shifts they went and say they get for Nigeria there, time don't reach when they begin to pack their bag. Even if Buhari not drive them, because Buhari not sabi drive person. He not sabi. Now Buhari we elect. Now Abba Kyari now they rule Nigeria. Which kind arrangement the other one? Now Buhari we elect. Now Abba Kyari chief of staff. Now he can be vice president. Sometimes we go take decision what Buhari not even they are aware of. All of us just did. All the appointment then, when they appoint, all of them are all northerners. Oh, that's not even problem. Even if all of them are northerners, if they do the work, Nigeria they work, all of us go happy. If na northern president they day and Nigeria they okay, me I never want me Satan I can even come there. If na not could just the rule us, the government they rule us, but Nigeria they okay, security they okay. They receive your salary, you go do your business, every day move, nothing, standard like a day. Make they rule us for 50 years. But the only reason we northerners they want rule us now because say, men they hold power for holding sake, not because they get anything to offer. My people, some of us don't reach to the conclusion say this country as it be. You know the work. You know the work. All the calls where they call, Mona just wait. Today we know they receive call. May I remove that one come off for we know they receive call today. I just want to talk. We go soon open program we will take the receive call. My people, literally, I just say make I touch them small, so that those of us who will be saying man won't be chopped for their belly. Make we understand, say this matters them. As we don't the settle now, they come back, we don't they arrive, we will begin to deal with them small. So long as Nigeria not they work, you know they function, for any of us, we for Kafia News, we not go stop to the talk. My people, the matter. And so you reach at the moment to all these people they call. We're gonna relax now. We go open call another time, not be now. That's all the matter be. My people, I salute you now. As I first talk, my name now still Comrade Lamte Oriahi. It never change. If it change, I will let you know. And for those who join us midway, I beg before you come out, make you just carry your matter, make you just touch that when they write subscribe, so that we will know say we get support, so that this program will still be on. Until we come our way again, my name is Comrade Lamte. May God bless you now, and we will still pray. May God bless Nigeria. Thank you.